don't touch my head. You hurt me. You hurt me. Now, I won't reject. But give me the respect of a man. Give me respect of a man. I'll put my hands down.
Lay it back down.
Oh, you gotta push me.
Lay it back down.
We're not gonna do 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5, cow dog. In the intravenous route. We're gonna do TP in the head, face.
Just relax, Bob.
Thanks.
No worries.
Channel lab. These eyes are totally excellent. The right eye is missing. First one of them, and the left eye is clouded over in red.
You're off at what, like 11? Yeah, you know the kid, dude.
So it says.
Who knows?
Never know.
I just picked a color. On that, I'm like, oh, my name's Oscar. How are you? Come in next time, ask for Oscar. Send it this way.
UTD.
You guys got it over here?
Yeah. Chronically abnormal. He's got it. He's still with the forehead.
Oh, they got no more. One more time. Forget it. I guess it's the red ones. Yeah, boss.
Why is he suffocating?
Putting pressure on your face.
So you want to take this one out first?
Tell him get this shit.
We'll come around, all right.
I can't face. Take this off my face. I can't face. I can't face.
I am. Give me out.
Like this?
I'm a penis specialist.
I know. We know you are.
Like in here?
Remember that little one? Was that we got that one? No, that was the one that like you thought he had private, but it turns out it was weird.
Oh, yeah.
So you kind of like just like. I thought I thought he had private.
Did you ask him when you're like, sure?
And he's like, oh. That's the same story that I tell you about when I thought a guy had private.
Thank you.
I swear, I opened up handle and get on the SCP. Turns out it's when you someone didn't fall over. I thought it was private. Really?
Hey, Johnny?
Yeah.
It was pretty awesome. Then I called that, so then we did all the interviewing, it was all negative, right? I said Ruiz in there, so I'm like, I need another doctor, look at this. So Ruiz goes in there, right? She's like, dude, I just asked him to deal with it.
Alright, cool. Thank you, guys.
No worries.
That's what we need. So when I go to the chest.
They don't have it here, bro.
Yeah, I know.
They want more.
Good old one Memorial Day.
A lot better, though.
Right. That's why everyone was putting these on the first time. We're like, what is this? What is this?
Oh, wait. They put their hands on the top.
I can't read. I just can't. Come start.
Thanks for your help, sir.
No worries.
Stay relaxed. And nothing else will happen. Wait, you are you?
Oh, we're 12x32.